Hello everyone, here's a video showing TANG SHIANG's furnace automation. If you are interested in the content of this video, please contact us according to the contact information in the video. Thank you. First, let's look the functions of the human machine system. On the home page of the human machine displays, there have information shows about the power supply and the furnace, and has function buttons to control the power of the power supply. Now, let's click the next page. This page displays the detailed status lights of each part. Let's click the next page. This page displays all of the error messages. Let's go back to the home page and press the hide button. After pressing the hide button, we will into the furnace automation setting page. There are 20 groups of shell mold settings to choose from. Each group of shell mold has 10 at-angle actions for you to set. We are setting now. Please press the red box to setting value at the top. The settings include forward angle set, waiting time set, backward active set, backward angle set, power control active set, power set. After setting all values, you can press project group to set another setting value. After setting one group of shell mold setting value, you can press select shell model to set another model of shell mold. After setting is finished, select the shell mold you want to use. After selecting, press the setting button. Set the control data into control system. When the setting is completed, we can return to the home page. The home page will display which you select shell mold's name. This is all of our human machine control options. Now you can use the switch button select options of manual mode, semi-automatic mode, or fully automatic mode on the center console. When using manual mode, just press the forward button, the furnace will move forward. Press the back button and the furnace will move backward. When switching to semi-automatic, press the start button to waiting, press forward button. Press the forward button to start steps of angle operation. After executing one step, press the forward button to execute the next step of settings. When all the shell mold settings are executed, it will return to the starting position. If an abnormality occurs suddenly during operation, press the emergency button to stop running. When pressing the emergency button, the option mode will change to manual mode. Then manually control the furnace depending on the situation. You can also press the back button. The furnace body will directly return to the starting position. Then control the furnace depending on the situation. Now execute the last set of angles. After executing the last set of angles, the furnace body will return to the starting position, and the semi-automatic program is completed. This is the semi-automatic mode demonstration. Now switch to the fully automatic mode to demonstrate. When it is fully automatic, first switch to fully automatic, then press forward button to start the fully automatic mode. When starting automatic mode, there is no need to execute any buttons. Now we only need put the shell mold to the position of pouring the furnace water. When control system detecting the shell mold, the control system will start steps of angle operation. After the first step of angle operation running finish, let the shell mold move out and put the second shell mold to the position of pouring the furnace water, and control system will start second step of angle running. After completing all running of the steps, the furnace will automatically return to the starting position. If an abnormality occurs suddenly during operation, press the emergency button to stop running, then manually control the furnace depending on the situation. Okay, now all of the automated procedures are completed. The furnace will return to the start position, and the automation stroke demonstration is completed. This is TANG SHIANG's furnace automation simulation display. Thanks for your watching.